Hi, I'm using my play clay today to make a snake. I'm extending the clay out nice and long and lean, and then it's much easier to roll it on your counter. I just made this green clay today. I ended up doing a second batch because the first batch I made ended up, I think I had it on high instead of medium, and it's cracking. So I'm letting it sit inside this lidded container to see if that brings it back and softens it up a little bit. But in the meantime, I made another batch and rolled this out. And I'm gonna use my little paper clip that's taped to a pencil to make the jaws. Open that up. There we go. And then a little stick. You could use a pencil tip. I taped my pencil tip up. Otherwise I would use that one. But I'm going to use that little stick here, this little cooking skewer, to make the nostrils. And let's see, what color should the eyes be? I'll make some white bulgy eyes. Kind of fun and cartoony. I always try to make them the same size though. And these are not, huh? All right, let's do that again. And then sometimes it doesn't stick just because I'm just laying everything together. I'm not meshing my sculptures together because that would blend the colors. And I like to keep my colors separate so I can use them another time. Now I'm going to put some lines. Ooh, wouldn't that be cool though to put some patterns in? Let's see. Come up with some fun patterns on your own, kids. See what makes sense for you. Just by laying the tool up against the clay and pressing a little bit. All the way down. The challenge is to keep it consistent the whole way. A lot of times I and my students, we get a little bored with it after a while, and then we all of a sudden our pattern is extended and separated more. Try to stay patient with it and see how consistent you can be to make it look the best it can possibly look. Nice, right? Oh, and wouldn't that be cute if it was like boop, 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 just to add a little bit more to it. So you can find little plastic utensils and pencils and cooking skewers like I have and paper clips. Use those as tools to help texture what you are making. Now all he needs is a slippery little forked tongue. There we go. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this.